Hello and welcome to assignment number 6. This time we are doing fractions. Note these models are correct. First, I have to choose an improper fraction or a mixed number. An improper fraction is when a numerator, which is at the top right here, is greater than the denominator. So I chose an improper fraction, 18/5. We need to figure out how to make that into a mixed number. First, we need to know how many times 5 goes into 18. So 5, 10, 15, and 20. But 20 is too much. So it's 3, it goes into 3 times and a little bit. So if we divide 18 into 5, you get a 3 with a remainder of 3. So now we need to figure out the fraction part of the mixed number. So we know that the denominator of 18/5 is a 5, so that has to stay the same. And because it's a remainder of 3, that means you would put the remainder 3 right here. But remember, 5 goes into 18 3 times, so that's how you get the 3 wholes and 3/5. There's your mixed number. Now that we know what the mixed number is, we will represent the fraction 18/5 in 4 different ways. Number 1, the numeral. It's just basically the fraction just alone. So 18/5 is the numeral, and the mixed number, which is also equivalent to 18/5, is 3 and 3/5. So that's one way of showing it. The next way of showing the improper fraction is by using a model. Now, what you have to do is you have to model 18/5. So 5, because it's split into 5 parts of a whole, 10, 15, and remember this is in a total, and then you have to color in only 3 because it's only 18, not 20. If you would color in the rest of this, that would be 20, but that's wrong. It's only 18. So that's how you do a model. Another way of showing this is similar to the model, and it's using linking cubes. So you just model exactly 18 little squares, but you have to group them into wholes. So this is 5 linking cubes, so that's one whole, so it's circled. This is another whole. This is another whole, and because it's 18 out of 20 and it's not a complete whole, it's only 3 linking cubes. So it's not quite a whole. The final way to represent this is a number line. So basically, we're showing a number line with all fractions with a denominator of 5. We're starting at 3 because 18 is a multiple of 3. So 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, and then 18. See how all the denominators are 5? That's how number lines are more simple. Because if they are mixed, you have to think about how many times it's being split, and it's all complicated. So I just chose to show with a denominator of 5. So it's much more user-friendly for you. Personally, I don't like using the number line, but for some people, it's one of their best strategies. I like using mental math or some other techniques, but number line isn't really my thing. Thank you for watching this lesson. I hope you understood everything that I've said. And until next lesson, goodbye! Special thanks to the Diamond Minecart for his goodbye.